The United Nations has declared the World International Yoga Day over 15,000 years ago. Since Adiyogi, many things have happened in terms of propagating yoga, in terms of reaching out. Many administrations in the form of kings took to yoga. For the first time, the head of a major nation on the planet is talking about yoga in public, in international fora.
And I invite him to address the assembly, Mr. Prime Minister.
योग केवल व्यायाम भर न होकर अपने आप से तथा विश्व व प्रकृति के साथ तादात्म्य को प्राप्त करने का माध्यम है।
This could be a kind of a foundation stone to make scientific approach to the inner well-being of the human being, a worldwide thing. That if you want to be well, you don't have to seek heaven's help, you can turn inward and fix it. This is the message when you say there is a International Yoga Day, this is what it means. The world is beginning to accept human well-being is not in heaven, it's within us. It's a tremendous step for the world, and for the first time, 177 countries get together to pass a resolution. Never before in the history of United Nations, 177 countries have voted for anything. I want you to understand, this has lived for over 15,000 years without any kind of one organization pushing it or forcing it, simply because of its efficacy, because it works, it's lived. Today, nearly 2 billion people on the planet are doing some form of yoga. I'm not happy with that. I want the 7.2 billion people to do some form of yoga because in the last 100 years, we have ripped the planet apart, but we are nowhere near well-being. If human well-being has to happen, the only and only way is one has to turn inward. There is really no other way, because pain and pleasure happens from within you, joy and misery happens from within you. The very light and darkness happens within you. The only space where you generate experience is within. If you don't turn inward, fixing your well-being on this planet is out of question. Today, we have the necessary resource, capability and technology to address every human problem on the planet. Never before was this possible. Only thing that's missing is an inclusive consciousness of human beings. And this is what yoga can do, beyond religion, beyond belief systems, beyond caste, creed, race, nationality. People can experience a deep sense of unity within themselves, which is what the world needs. This is a momentous step that humanity is taking. It is time the world turns inward for their well-being, not up, not out, in. In is the only way out. If you want well-being, in is the only way out. This year we are shooting for that we want to have 1 million people across the world who will teach at least a 3-minute yoga to one more person, their own family or friend or somebody else or whoever. 1 million people who we will give you the title of Yoga Veera. We will give you the tools, a simple video, 3 minutes. So we want to get 1 million people to teach the simple form of yoga at least to one more person. But once they know the joy of transforming one life, I'm very sure they won't stop there.
And now talking about Yoga Veera, why one should become Yoga Veera, what is the relation of becoming an Yoga Veera with transaction or an art of giving, we will come to know now. What is it? Let's talk about it. Now, becoming a Yoga Veera means the one who is willing to transform people's life by offering yogic practices for health and well-being. Now the process of life is a giving, right? It's a transaction. In every giving, there is also a taking. We are, in fact, more taking than what we are giving. But in our mind, we should ignore the taking. We should just keep on giving because we need not have to do any effort to take it. It will be pushed into our life effortlessly. Fortunately, Creator is that graceful that we get more than what we give. So, proceeding to become an Yoga Veera, anyone who is passionate about practicing and offering yogic practices to others can become Yoga Veera. There is no specific age, gender, background requirements, and even completion of Isha programs is also not necessary. Now, when we are saying here as yoga, we are not referring to a particular practice to twist and turn the body. Yoga means to consciously obliterate the boundaries of your individual existence. So basically, being an Yoga Veera, you need to offer certain yoga to the world and become a Yoga Veera. And in this video, as we have seen that Sadhguru asked 1 million people to teach a 3-minute yoga practice at least to one person. By doing this, we can experience the joy of sharing, a tool that can transform someone's life for the better. Now, just listening to the name yoga, don't worry that you have to offer something great or some twisting postures, some difficult postures. No, you don't have to. You just need to learn the simple Upayoga practices or Yoga Namaskar practices and then share it with others and be a part of Sadhguru's vision of offering at least a drop of spirituality to every human being. Now, if you're interested to become a Yoga Veera, you just need 3 steps. First is filling up the form for Yoga Veera, link of which I have given in the description. It is absolutely free of cost. That means you are having 0 cost. Second step is that you have to undergo a basic training and obtain the necessary tools for transformation. And third is, let's start offering the yoga sessions. It is all for free and it will be provided through online mode, so you do not have to even concern that you have to go to Coimbatore for this purpose. You can do it, learn it from wherever you are, from your home, from your workplace, anywhere. Now, if you want to take care of problems in the world, the first and foremost thing is that you need to take care of that which is you. That means you should not be a problem. To move the world into this direction, we need Yoga Veeras. This is once a lifetime opportunity for you to take this up and make it happen. We literally want to see that a drop of spirituality goes into each and everybody's life. We want to make the world understand that yoga is not an exercise system. It is a profound form of evolving a human being. It is about the very deep understanding of the human consciousness or the human mechanism, not in the physical dimension, but on all the aspects of being a human being. So, bringing this awareness is really very important than lots of people doing yoga at one day and then forgetting the another day. So, for someone to pursue something, it must inspire them. They must feel it either in their mind or in their body or in their emotions that this is something worth investing its time and energy. To get them to see the profoundness of yoga, the nature of offering is important. And that is what we want to convey to the world. We want to take the world with it. And so we require Yoga Veeras. So now, if you are really interested in becoming a Yoga Veera, kindly check the link in the description. I have given the link for registration and it is absolutely free of cost and it will be offered in an online mode. And also, do share this with as many people as you can. And finally, hope you loved the video and found the video meaningful. And if yes, do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Up to next, stay safe, healthy, happy and namaskaram.